Working with orienteering cartography and have an OCD file to open. This is the standard mapping format for competitive orienteering events worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these OCAD orienteering map files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade OCD file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. OCD files are cartographic map files created by OCAD, the specialized mapping software used worldwide for orienteering map creation. They contain detailed topographic vector maps with standardized IOF International Orienteering Federation, symbol sets, terrain features, contour lines, vegetation boundaries, and course planning data for competitive orienteering events. OCAD OCD map files use a proprietary format, storing vector map objects with IOF-compliant symbol definitions. Objects include point line area and text elements with associated symbol rendering rules. The format stores georeferencing, data layer organization, and print template configurations for producing competition-ready orienteering maps. Typically, OCD files can be opened with OCAD created by OCAD AG. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows offers no meaningful preview, so geographic visualization must occur in GIS software. To start the process, right-click your OCD file and select Open With. If you have OCAD installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If your OCD file will not open, do not worry. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the OCD format. First, opening in OCAD. Download and install OCAD from OCAD.com and open the OCD file. The map displays with all vector features rendered using the assigned symbol set. Use OCAD's drawing tools to edit features, modify symbols, and adjust the map layout. OCAD offers free viewer mode for opening maps without an editing license. Next, exporting for print. In OCAD, configure the print template using the layout menu to set map boundaries, scale, and registration marks. Export to PDF for high-quality print production using File, then Export. Configure PDF settings for CMYK color separation, if required by your print shop, for professional offset printing of competition maps. Finally, sharing map data. Export OCD map data to common GIS formats, including shapefile and DXF, using OCAD's export functions for use in GIS applications. Export to georeferenced image formats for GPS navigation applications. Share OCD files with other OCAD users directly, as the format is the standard exchange format in the orienteering mapping community. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.